Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up your watch to automatically open the Depth app when submerged on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can set up your watch so that when you submerge it underwater, the Depth app will open automatically. This is a great feature to have. The Depth app will show you how deep you dive down, as well as the water temperature and how long you dived under for. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and select general. Scroll down the general settings and tap auto launch. Then scroll down to when submerged. You can choose between off selected app or remain on watch face. Choose selected app. Here you can see that the selected app is the Depth app. If you scroll down, you can choose whether the Depth app will open immediately or at 1 meter depth. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.